In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by opening Tab menu and clicking on this little icon with a sun located on the right of brightness slider. As you can see, my icon is blue, which means that auto brightness is on. If you wish to switch it off, hit the same shortcut again. You can also go into Devices Settings, click on Display and Brightness, and operate auto brightness by tapping on this switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!